Hi friends, welcome. We'll learn Gemini API where by using it in our Colab platform we'll develop some scripts where we can read all the models available, we can give the inputs and get the outputs from the AI tool, and using Colab platform, so it will be entirely easy for you to learn without installing anything in your system. We'll learn more about that. Visit this URL to get all the source code. Here is the GitHub link. You can click this and reach here, and here the entire code is also there. You can just click this open in Colab button, so you will land in your Colab platform, so you can use that scripts directly. But note that you have to use your API key. Now let me just come here. Here you can see all the source codes and the descriptions are available, which you can read and download the code also. So here you can see, copy the code from here. Then here we have given the how the prompt will work. Now let us see how these codes are executed in Colab platform. Friends, we are in our Colab platform. This is a cloud-based Google's Python platform. So you can use your Python script and it is freely available. You can use your Google account and then just search for Google's Colab. So or co-laboratory, so you can reach here and create. This is a cloud based, so anywhere you can use it, and your data is stored in the Google Drive, so or your files are stored, so you can continue using it free till you reach the limit. So here you can see first let's see what is the secret key, or here you can see I have used one line Google API key. So this key you have to take it from Google, from the Google to Google AI Studio, and in the previous video we have explained you how to take that key and advantage of using Google API key, because it remains as your secret. Even if you share this file with others also, it stays with you. Now here is my key, whatever I have used it. You can just see here my Google API key, and here the date key I have stored it. Anytime I can replace it also, but when I am sharing this notebook with others, my key remains with me, and the other end the user has to use its own key to run the script by using its own API key. All the details we have explained it. I will leave the link in the description below of our previous video. Now you just see we are importing two libraries here. So one is import Gemini, the main one, which is the AI tool, what it will be, and the user data. This is only to operate in this line, because that will read the encrypted API key and use it. It is not that only API key we can store. We can store any other secret data, as a password and anything, you can store it here. So it will not go along with the script. So I am reading that. Now then I am configuring it here. Configure the key I am configuring, because Gemini knows it, who is the owner of this particular script, and the counter or the tokens what he provides on each call will be accounted for that. So that is where next line here you can see I am just initially listing out all the models whatever is available. So this loop will do for me. It will loop through and give me the one by one the models available. So I can pick up the models. Let me just run it once, so we'll see that. So this model list of models, so from that we can take our data, or sorry, we can select the model what you want to use it, and that you will use. See this has given me a total list of available models. You can read also whether which supports the text, which support the images, which supports the counting the tokens, everything you can read it from here. This one of this model will be using next script one. So this is just to know what are the models. Now I am clearing it. So now let's come to the next one. This is where we'll first give a input to our Gemini and get a output. This already, just for continuation, I am again writing it that two libraries we have to import, get the API key, and I am everywhere I am keeping a try exit block. So any case any error is there, that will be reflected here. So this exit block. Then within the try block only two lines of code. You can just see I am fixing the model here. I have given a model here. You can experiment with at the top. We have also seen different models that you can replace it here. Now I am passing a fixed text and getting the response. What I have written here is write a short poem about the stars. A simple one. Keep on changing your whatever the requirement. Now this is model generate content. That's all. So content I have passed it. Now I am printing now what the response is. Let's just run it and see. You can see this is the output we are getting, and this output you can keep on changing, write something else, you will get a different output. So here is the short poem it has returned me. you can do. But see, here we have hard coded the text, whatever you are doing, but usually we want to give the user the input. So user can input its own requirement and then get the output. That is what we chat with our chatbots, and even the prompts also we use it. That will develop next. What we will do is simply whatever we have hard coded or written here text, that we will give a prompt to the user, asking them give it as a input. So that's what next line does for us, or the next code block. The same thing you can just see, I have just placed a user prompt here, whatever the input the user types, and that I am giving, instead of writing a fixed text, I am writing it here. There I have written write a poem for us. Here I am telling use a prompt here, that whatever the user has written, that I am taking it. So I can type anything and run this script, and it will give me it will go to Gemini and return me the answer. Here is the prompt. I am just writing why flight path is not straight line. Or you can write anything, whatever you want. So now that input has gone to the Gemini. Now Gemini has written me a long, of course you can read it. Then if you want some other text to be, this is like your own application. So you can just backend, you are connecting to Gemini and getting the output. So you can run it once. Even this script, you can take it to your own desktop application. We have also checked with Kinter and all. So you can give a simple prompt or a input in the Kinter or in your application, whatever code. Using this API, you can develop a application. So user can type there. It's like your own AI tool. So you can use that and give the output to the user. Same thing we'll also do by using images, and because these models are multimodal, it can take image, then video, many other text, even data also it can take it. We'll see in the next part by uploading different type of files and working on it. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and we will continue this. So next we will see how we can use the image and other data system, also CSV files, SQLite files, how it analyze by using the Gemini API. We'll see that, and if you have any ideas, suggestions, questions or any doubts, use the comment section below to post it. My request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorials, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.